Contrary to popular wisdom, you don't have to be an ace electrician, a coding prodigy, or a mechanical master to come up with a game-changing invention. You just need curiosity, a strong desire to fix a problem that you see in the world, and the determination to see your ideas become reality, and this book, which will teach you everything you need to go from zero to inventor. Everyone wants to be the next Bill Gates or Steve Jobs, but there's never been a clear roadmap to becoming a wildly successful innovator until now. Get that great idea out of your brain and into the real world with a crash course in ideation, prototyping, and testing. Includes clever, can-do lessons in CAD, 3D printing, laser cutting, electronics, robotics, coding, and more. Whether you're riding the Kickstarter wave or hitting the venture capital beat, get your idea funded, and protect it with a proper patent. Then learn to refine your prototype's look and feel to give it a boost in the market. Find the link below and buy the book now.